Imagine a curry with the goodness of coconut cream, lots of root vegetables, legumes, leafy greens, and health. The recipe for the day? Jamaican Ital Curry, of course, which is health forward. Let's begin. You hear the word ital? It sounds closest to the word vital. This recipe has all the vital ingredients and which is also great for the vital organs of the body. And trust me, the word ital comes from the word vital. Let's begin. Let's turn the flame on, and to this, let's add in any neutral oil. Let's begin with sliced red onions, crushed ginger and garlic, a sprig of thyme, and along with this, a Scotch bonnet. Now I have it frozen, I'm using 8 ends. Let's start adding in root vegetables, beginning with red carrots, potatoes, and sweet potato. Let's stir this. And we allow to cook this for at least 5 minutes in a mixture of coconut milk and water. Remember to add in some salt. Also, if you're using corn on the cob, you can add in the pieces, or if you're using American corn, you can add it later. Let's push this in so that all of this now cooks beautifully together. Once all of this has cooked, let's add in cooked beans, which could also be canned. Next, let's add in chayote, which is peeled, cored, and diced. Now, chayote is also known as a vegetable pear. Now, for the uninitiated, this is actually native to Mexico, but now this is also kind of available worldwide. This makes a wonderful salad. It can make a stir fry, a stew. It can be made or used in multiple ways. From the root right up to the vegetable, the flowers, the leaves, the stem, they make a wonderful stir fry. This can also be peeled and just sliced and can be eaten raw as well. If you can't lay your hands on it, it's absolutely fine. Just continue. The next vegetable that goes in, red pumpkin. Some baby peppers. I'm adding this because I found these lovely. Some okra, the crown and the tail snipped off. And along with this, some spinach. I'm just tearing and adding. Once all the vegetables are almost cooked, let's add in the remaining part of our coconut milk. And finally, let's add in our Jamaican curry powder. Of course, at this stage, you can also check for salt and allow this to boil on medium flame for another 10 minutes. Now, the difference between a Jamaican curry spice and a Madras curry spice is very simple. Jamaican curry spice is bright yellow, it's turmeric forward. It of course has coriander and primarily also has allspice or pimentos. Another ingredient which very importantly goes is called coconut aminos. Now, coconut aminos is basically fermented sap of coconut tree, and it is mixed with salt. So it's kind of fermented. It neutralizes the umami in the whole liquid or in the whole condiment. And if at all by any chance you cannot lay your hands on that, you can add in tamari, you can add in soy sauce, light, dark, completely your choice, but add it. That's very important. If you can lay your hands on it, absolutely nothing like it. A quick stir. And with this, of course, the flame. Beautiful. Well, lovely, creamy, nutty, salty, spicy. I would say go easy on the Scotch bonnet because this kind of has that kick. If you can take it, nothing like it. Otherwise, go easy. Make it now. Allow it to rest at room temperature. Allow the flavors to kind of build up. Eat it the next day with rice or maybe with a crusty bread. Dip it wonderfully. Allow it to soak in and then eat it. And do not forget slices of chilled avocado. That's how the Jamaicans do it. Bye for now.